Many therapists don't enjoy seeing a full arm wax in their column. This is usually because they can be a little bit awkward to navigate around on how and which direction we apply the wax on, and removal and supporting the skin. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the posturing of an arm to effectively carry out an arm wax. So the more difficult areas to navigate around the arm tend to be in the area around the elbow. So the easiest place to start is around the elbow. If you take your client's arm, extend the palm and just get them to gently place the hand above them on the cushion beside them, this then stretches the skin around the elbow. Now, as a general rule, the hair will grow up towards the peak of the elbow on most of this area of the arm. So once your preparation is done, we can do our application of wax coming up towards the peak of the elbow to remove, creating a stretch, but also the rest of the arm does help us with giving a stretch as well. Once this whole area is clear, then we can bring the arm back down and we can start working on the upper arm areas whilst the arm is flat, and across the forearm, which the hair will grow in this general direction here. So we can do this with our cartridge system or spatula by applying with the hair growth, removing against the hair growth, and then just twisting the arm around just to get any that might have made their way onto the inside of the forearm.